Hello guys, welcome to another new video. So today we are going to do T on BTC USDT on get.io exchange. As you can see right now on BTC get.io, you can see BTC versus USDT chart, 1 day chart. It's 1 day chart. It's BTC is trying to pump little bit. It has moved from 60,500 to 61,078 right now. So BTC right now standing on 61,000 per token. So this is a very crucial moment for BTC, and every BTC holder is waiting for a bull run on BTC. So you can see here BTC is trying to pump, and but yesterday BTC got a very long red candle and it's go down all the way from 62,000 something to the bottom 60,000, and today it's going to move little bit forward. I mean it's pumping, trying to pump. Then 24 hours volume BTC on, you can see on get.io it's 2.44k, and 24 hours turnover per USDT is 149.91 million. It's a huge amount. And 24 hours high for BTC $62,409, and 24 hours low per BTC is $60,301, and currently BTC is trending on 61,110. So BTC holder always waiting for this for the next bull run. Don't know when it will happen, and all the eyes on BTC and other meme coins. Some popular meme coins are doing so good, and also Sui, one of the most popular coins. Sui also has done very well, and Popcat, another meme coin, has done well. So many investors already made so much money on in the cryptocurrency market. So it's so as you can see on the BTC chart, it's consolidating for a few days from 60,000, 59,000 to it has moved to 64,000. Then again it's go down to 60,000. Then today it's going to pump little bit, and we wish if it is will break its all-time high record 73,000 something. And of course, and this is wish for every BTC investors. So let's see what's happen in the future. So thanks for watching this video guys, and also like and share this video with your friends, and please don't forget to subscribe our channel, because we are always publishing new videos and in this channel, and also try to find some crypto news and others news also, and try to share in this channel. So stuck with our channel and keep on watching. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.